Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and don't let this small pouch fool you. It's got a lot of warmth to give.
And this UNIQUEBELLA's women's thermal underwear really did pack a punch. I just love how it covered me so well and fit so nice and looked really good. I loved the stretch. Mainly, I loved how easy it was to slip on any clothing. If I'm working outside, I can put on my clothes, even use it as a shirt and just zip up my jacket. If I'm working out in the garage, it's cold, or if I'm doing work in the garden, to not have so many clothes weighing me down. It's the same with dress clothes. I can put my dress clothes over it and not have to worry about putting on so many different layers of coats just to stay warm. I love the pouch that it comes in. It makes it so easy to find it in the drawer. It just fits so nice. The design and the look, I think it just makes it not only beautiful, but hug my curves so well and make me feel so comfortable. It is stretchy, but is not cutting off any circulation, and it covers every inch of me. So I can just wear it by itself if I'm wanting to get cozy on the couch at home, if I'm wanting to go outside and work out. It's not going to ride up, get in the way. I love the freedom to just keep on moving, even in the winter.
So this was just such a nice, easy thing to keep underneath anything I'm wearing, and it does the job and keeps me nice and toasty warm. And that's my point of view.